You go from this straight to the rope. 12. Squeeze. Number yet. Reach now. Reach. Go right outside. Boys, here comes mom. Heads up. Jay, come here and timer.
Now, start.
Go. One arm. Where'd you start at? The 2? So when it gets to the 6, tell her to switch. Switch. Mom, switch.
You said 5 seconds.
Oh. You mad? Go! Each one needs to be slapping the ground hard. How much time left, Jay? Get your head up. What did he say? Slap it harder. Get your arms up. You tired?
Yeah.
A little bit tired or kind of tired?